Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday for you and
Grandpa.
Happy birthday for Zaya. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yay! Love your hands.
Okay, say love you, Grandpa.
I love you.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Miss you.
I miss you.
Anything else you want to say? What else do you want to tell Grandpa?
And the picture.
Do you want to sing B-I-B-L-E for Grandpa? Can you do it?
A B-I-B-L-E, it's a book for me.
Word of
God, a word of B-I-B-L-E, Bible.
Yay! Good job. Love you, Dad. Happy birthday.
Love you, Dad.
Miss you.
I miss you.
Are you watching it, sir? Say bye-bye, Izzy.
Bye-bye, Izzy.
Izzy. Hey, say bye, Grandpa. You say bye-bye. Here, sit up. Sit up. Say bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye.
See, under a picture.
Okay. Love you.
Love you. I miss you.
Say bye.
Bye.
Boink. Okay. Talk to you guys soon. Love you. Bye.